I had to go to the store today to get eggs, so this video was made us a little bit late today on breakfast. Something we don't hardly eat, but here we go. Okay, we got some bacon. We ain't got much because we cut the pack in 3. To get you fed, that's all that matters. Okay. Now we're going to cut some sausage. We got 4 ounces. No, 8 ounces because it was a 16-ounce packet. Sorry. Okay, let me cut this and we'll be right back. Push your notification bells to all, and that way you get uploads every time I upload a video. And please subscribe, like, share, and help me out. Thank you. Okay, out of 8 ounces, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of sausage and 16 pieces of bacon. Okay, let's get our sausage in our pan. We're going to save our grease and make gravy with next time. They ain't big pieces, but it gets you fed. That's all that matters. I've got a question for you all. In my Talk With Me videos, I got on there today to upload one, and it said it's got a little thing that says ask. What's that mean? Let me know if you all know. I've not added that to my video, so I don't know what that is. It's in the comment section. Let me know if you all know anything about that. Okay, our bacon is frying good. We're almost done with our bacon. Then we got to put more in. Then we got our sausage. We're going to cook that 12 minutes. And then we're going to add more. Okay, we're going to save our bacon grease. That's liquid gold right there. Now we're going to add more bacon. Each person's getting 8 pieces of bacon. You see how little they are. That's because the package was cut in 3 lengths. Why we do that is because it saves money each time you have to buy bacon, you can still get the same amount of bacon, but littler pieces, and it stretches your dollar more. That's why we do that. And then we bring our sausage home and cut the packet. If it's 16 ounces, we cut the packet in half, and we get 2 meals out of that and still get fed good. Okay, the bacon is done. Save our grease, our liquid gold. We'll scramble some eggs in that bacon pan. Some black pepper. They put their own salt. That's done. Sausage is done. Here's the meal. Fresh homegrown tomatoes. Okay, we got our breakfast. It's 1:42 in the day. Piece of sausage. Hot, hot, hot. Piece of bacon. Fresh bottle tomato. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.